romantic idea that we cook up a deal in here and then I will sign, have no illusions that this will not happen. So, and by the way, people were also asking that am I angry to Hannes because he's been doing this thing, so let me just comment on that, because you get the impression that I might be angry. And I was saying to someone, one of my favorite quotes from one of the personal heroes, I think, that are great persons. So Nelson Mandela was asked this question when he was coming out of the jail that, are you angry to these people who locked you up? And then he said that no, I'm not angry because they didn't exactly know what they were doing. So I think that's kind of my perspective on this. That I understand that this is a new thing, and there will be lots of things that are not
so
exactly.
Nelson Mandela or the prisoner. So I would really be glad to accept your public apologies because 80 people heard that, and I'm the representative of employees.
No, I haven't called you that. I haven't called you that. So I apologize on your behalf for the messages that you've sent out. First of all, because I think it's possibly not fair for our people that they've been thinking of things, worrying about things that people should not have worries about. So that concerns me, and I'm not apologizing. I'm only apologizing that people have been exposed to those messages, and I haven't called you irresponsible. If that was the impression, then sorry for that impression. I think I called you what you are, a sweet and romantic guy who I think has publicly announced that this is a great project, and after you've kind of done this project, you will somehow disappear. Which I think is an interesting way to position yourself with the